Hey there, wellness seekers. Are you feeling overwhelmed by all the toxins in your home, your products, and even your food? Well, you're not alone. And today we're diving into the ultimate beginner's guide to reducing your toxic load with natural solutions. Now, if you're new to this channel, hi, I'm Julie. Welcome. And I've been on this journey reducing my toxic load for over 10 years now. So, whether you're just starting to learn about toxin free living or you're ready to take the next step, this will help you create a healthier, happier home with simple, effective tips. And of course, my favorite natural solutions, essential oils. Now let's get started. So, first things first, what is toxic load? It's the accumulation of harmful substances in our bodies from things like synthetic chemicals in our environment, food, and everyday products. And the scary part is over time, this buildup can lead to fatigue, hormone imbalances, and even chronic health issues. But here's the good news. You have power to reduce your toxic load starting today. Essential oils are probably one of the easiest, most effective ways to kick toxins to the curb. And that's how I got started with using essential oils. Why? Because they're 100% natural and safe when used correctly. And that's why I use doTERRA, because they are pure and potent. Pure means there are no additives, no fillers. And potent means each plant is harvested where it grows best at the right time, resulting in the best internal plant chemistry. And with an ideal chemistry, the extracted essential oil does exactly what you want it to do. Now, here's how they can help you. They can replace synthetic fragrances with natural, air purifying, mood boosting aromas, just depending on the essential oil that you use. They can create DIY cleaning products that are effective and non toxic. And they can support your body with natural solutions for sleep, stress, and immunity. Lemon oil is one of my personal favorites. It's perfect for everything from cleaning sticky residue to adding a refreshing scent to your home, and even putting a drop in your non plastic water tumbler. Now, which essential oil are you most curious about? Let me know in the comments and I'll put a video together on 5 ways to use that oil. Now, I know the idea of detoxing your life can feel a bit overwhelming. So let's break it down into small, doable steps. Number 1, start with one product. Swap out your household cleaner for a DIY version using vinegar, water, and tea tree essential oil. Number 2, ditch synthetic fragrances. Replace candles, plug-ins, and air fresheners with a diffuser and your favorite essential oil. This is such an easy swap and will provide so many health benefits for you and your family. Number 3, check labels. Look for words like paraben free, phthalate free, and organic when shopping for skincare or cosmetics. Now, I just did a video on grocery shopping, so check that out for what to watch out for on the food labels. Now, remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Every small step adds up. Save this video and try one of these tips this week. Then come back and tell me how it went. Ready to start your toxin-free journey? Let me help you build your dream kit. Here's what I would recommend for beginners. Lemon oil. It's great for cleaning and uplifting your mood. Lavender oil. Perfect for calming and relaxation. It's great to use on bug bites or irritated skin. Peppermint oil. It's amazing for focus and energy, great for sore muscles or even seasonal discomfort. And then On Guard Blend. It's a must-have for immune support. Diffuse this oil or apply it to the bottom of your feet, or take it internally with a veggie cap. With just a few oils, you can transform your home and your health. Now, want to build your own kit? Click the link in the description if you know what you want. Or schedule a quick chat with me, also found in the description, and you can let me know what your goals are and I can make some suggestions. Now, finally, remember that toxin-free living is a journey. It's not a destination. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small, and stay inspired by connecting with a community of like-minded people. Follow my channel for weekly tips, DIY recipes, and motivation to help you live your healthiest, happiest life. You've got this. Also, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And don't forget to comment below your biggest toxin-free win. I'd love to cheer you on. Thanks for joining me today on this toxin-free journey. Remember, small changes lead to big results. And with a little help from natural solutions like essential oils, you can create a home and a life that is healthy and vibrant as you are. See you next time.